My
Hello.
tummy. Since I have from the wheel my tummy ba, from the water my tummy. Like itchy punjay my tummy in the back behind of my ears. It is a small my tummy for now, but I think it's going to be big and it's not good. So I need to buy Punjisol.
By what?
Punjisol for the punjay.
Oh. Fungicide.
In our language, my tummy abun-e. So I must put Punjisol for it is small and not it is worth getting big, because if it is getting big not good, so I need to put now for it is small. Here my tummy, abun-e. Punjay here.
Oh.
Because the water my tummy, the wheel my tummy, it is a little